Good morning, student. You know, I am going to teach you science subject. This is for class 7. And lesson number 3. Name of lesson is animal fiber, wool and silk. Okay. So, number 1. Classification of fiber. You all wear, why we have class? We all wear class to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, dust and insect, etc. Clothes are made from fabric, and fabric is made from yarn, and yarn is made from fiber. In fiber makes yarn makes fabric, and after it cloth. Fiber can be, it will natural or man-made. Man-made fiber known as synthetic fiber. Natural fiber are further you can divide in two parts. That will plant fiber and second animal fibers. The fibers obtained from plants or called plant fiber. The example you can take cotton and jute fiber. This modern wool that comes from is especially bred seed, that have good fine wool. The best wool, comes from the merino sheep. Best wool comes from merino sheep, which originally come from Spain. From Spain, that merino sheep, the best wool comes from that place, Okay. Silk is believed to be have been discovered, silk. This is discovered more than 4,000 years ago in China, till 300 AD. Only Chinese know how to make silk. Then Japanese also discovered the secret, and eventually after it, the Indian learn what Indian learn? How to make silk. To observe different type of fiber and different differentiation between them. You can do an activity at your home. What will method for doing this kind of activity? Collect a thread of different fiber and make a table in your copy. See serial number, second will fiber, third texture soft, it will soft or coarse, or third luster in shiny or dull, strength it will weak or strong. See, now on number 1 you can write wool, cotton, silk, nylon, polyester, and after touching you can understand this is soft or this is coarse, and you can see that is shiny or dull, and you can also, when you are going to pull that, you can understand this is weak or strong. In this kind you can make this table at your home yourself by taking wool, cotton, silk, jute, nylon and polyester. Say number 1, wool topic. Wool is the fiber that comes mainly from the coat of a sheep. Means sheep gives us wool, It is a long and thick kind of hair that can easily be turned into yarn. And clothing made from wool is one light and is comfortable. Wool has a different color cream, you know, okay, so that it keeps it safe. Each fiber has scales. Each fiber have scales so that the fiber interlock when they spun into yarn. When we are going to spun that into yarn, they interlock. I hope you want to know that what is sources of wool. You know, most wool comes from sheep, which can live in all temperate parts of the world. Wool is also obtained from goat, yak, alpaca, vicuna, Kashmiri goat. We can get wool from that animal. And Angora rabbits are famous for finer, softer wool. You know, yaks are reared in Tibet and Ladakh. Angora goat and sheep in Kashmir, you know, and in Himachal Pradesh, llama, alpaca, and vicuna in South America. Some wool comes from camels or well mohair wool comes from the fleece of the Angora goat. You know, have the finest and largest amount of wool. A Marico sheep yields up to 13.5 kg, near about 13 to 14 kg you can say, wool at one shearing. In one shearing, Marico sheep give us 13 to 14 kg wool, you know, which is enough to make about 7 blankets. 13 to 14 kg. In 13 to 14 kg of wool, you can make 7 blankets. The finest fleece comes from the lambs. You know, sheep rearing. After sheep rearing, you can see the picture of that animal give us wool. You know, sheep, goat, llama, camel in this picture. We obtain wool from these animals, you know. Okay, and I am going to teach you about sheep rearing. What is sheep rearing? Sheep rearing is the rearing and breeding of domestic sheep for their meat, milk, and fiber. They also yield sheep skin and postmen. Sheep are raised at places with temperate climate including arid zone. Farmer also, you know, fences. Farmers builds their fences, housing, shearing sheds for that animal, and facility for such as water, feed, pest control. Sheep graze postures usually under the control of shepherd or sheepdog. In our country, sheep are reared in hilly part of the India. That is Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Ladakh. Beside the hilly part, people rear them in plain of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat. In this area also sheep reared. Some popular Indian breed of sheep, or Lohi, Rampur, Bushair, Bhakrawal, Marwari, and Patnaul. So these all are local breed of sheep. Today I taught you about fiber and fibery, about sheep, goat, llama. You will write short note on fiber and fibery.